Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. This is Pittsburgh Unboxing, but I'm not going to fully open it until Kathy gets here on Monday. We've had nothing but problems with this company. We got this Blu-ray player a year ago, and it was effective, and I put a negative review on it, and they had a fit. And they started writing me, and I said, look, your player, the button stopped working. You couldn't eject it. The door fell off. This thing's horrible. It's a piece of garbage. So they recently sent me an email. We'll give you a new player and we'll give you $80 back. I said, that'd be great. $80. I'll keep the $80. I need it more than Kathy. She needs the player. It's okay with her. We talked about it. Then they sent me an email. We only have so much compensation money. We'll give you $44 back. Then they tell us that Amazon held the $44 for a year, which I've never heard Amazon doing. So I'm going to have to call Amazon on Saturday and find out what the hell is going on with this. And I thought they said they would send us a gift card. Now they're saying they'll credit it back to the original account, but I'm not sure if that account is valid anymore. I looked at all my credit cards. It's not one of mine. It has to be one of Kathy's. She only got 3 of them. So this is the Fangor Blu-ray player. But the last one we got, you put the disc in the middle. It broke. The button to lift the screen off the player would not eject. You couldn't open it. And it died within like 2 months. And thank God that we had a warranty, extra warranty coverage. So they sent us this, and I'm not very happy about it. So, channel numbers are 1,479,522 views and 19,432 subscribers. And I don't know if I can check this. Hold on. We on Firefox there. Let me check. What did we pay for this? Oh, wait a minute. I've got it on the screen. Hold on. I don't need Amazon. Chris Bosa sent me Art Bell's final broadcast. I'll have to listen to that again. He talked about Art Bell running for president. Not Art Bell. He sorry about that. Donald Trump running for president. By the way, I had a curious thing. I was at my credit union to put money in. This guy ahead of me in a flag T-shirt. And when he got done, I said, "Great shirt." He looked at mine. He said, "Great shirt." And we started talking, and he got on the subject of UFOs and the paranormal. And he said, "You ever listen to Coast AM?" No, I didn't solicit any of this. I'm trying to even crack it up. I said, "Well, I'm George Senda. My videos are on Coast to Coast. I was friends with Art Bell. We corresponded back and forth in email. Every time I called him, he said, 'Hi, buddy. How you doing?' I miss him terribly. I'm also friends with George Norrie and his producer, Tom Danizer. And he goes, 'I love George Norrie. I listen to Coast all the time. Tell him I love his show.' So I'll tell George when I contact him tomorrow when I've had some sleep and straighten the bed. I'll get all my bedding shifts onto the floor." And then he wished me something I haven't seen anybody do in 50 years. He did the Vulcan salute. He said, "May you live long and prosper." And it hurts on my left hand. It does not hurt so much on my right hand. But I said, "You too." So I was startled by that because I haven't seen anybody do that since I went to Star Trek conventions back in the 70s. So, but that was most curious that he likes Art Bell. He likes George Norrie, and he had a barely look in his face. Art who? So that was very weird. Last thing I expected in my credit union, guy to tell me about Coast to Coast AM from out of London. We talked about UFOs, crashes. He asked me about conspiracies. He asked me about Epstein. I gave him answers for everything. I am somewhat of an expert on the paranormal and the conspiratorial stuff, so God knows I've got enough books in there on conspiracies and UFOs and the paranormal, over 600. All right, that's it for this one. Have a great night. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, get your friends, coworkers, family members, acquaintances, people on the street to subscribe to the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month when you see content not on the regular channel. And you'll see Kathy on Monday, barring unforeseen. We will open this up and test it and see if it works. And then I'll try to get the $44 back. But they promised us $80. I'm not very happy about that. I could have really used $80. I would have bought extra cat food for another month. So 44, I will buy extra cat food for next month. Oh. Okay, that thing's heavy. It hurt my arm too. Have a good night. I'll see you next time. And watch the skies for falling Blu-ray players. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. See you later. Where's the button? Where's the button? Now I can't see the button. Okay, there you go. Bye-bye.